Guys, we're getting really close to the launch of Fullcap.ai. If you're not familiar with it, feel free to visit our website, Fullcap.ai, and join the waiting list. Join our Discord. I'll put a link in the description for our Discord. We already have been onboarding a whole bunch of beta members. I think we're at above over a couple dozen, over 20 beta members at this point. We've been testing and using the software for 2 years at the founders Barbershop locations. We've been using it at some of the headlines locations, and it's gotten so good, so polished. I'm so proud of it and what the team has done. And what I wanted to do today was update you guys with, or at least share updates with, some of the beta testers that we were sharing with, just kind of putting on the YouTube channel. You guys can kind of see what we're doing to improve it, make it better. And it's really, really close to launch date. And it's not going to launch like as a typical MVP where, it's just bare bones. It's going to be innovative. It's going to be a game changer from day one. So with that being said, man, this video is going to give you guys some updates on what Fullcap has recently added to the table. And it's already a well-polished machine. It's already an amazing software, but we just keep adding more and more features. We're listening to the barbers, to our beta members, and we're constantly adding features. The team has been amazing. So without further ado, check it out. This is a big deal right here. Abandoned booking recovery agent. Check this out, guys. So if I go to my location and I go over to abandoned booking agent. So this is one of the AI features. This is a beta version. And this is just one of the ideas that we have. We just got to implement this pretty early. And pretty much it's like abandoned cart on Amazon, right? There are people who make it to your checkout. They start booking you on their calendar. They enter their information. But for whatever reason, lives, they don't hit confirm. This will trigger a agent to try to recover them after a certain amount of time. So as you can see here in the last 14 days, we've recovered $170 in revenue. So you can see when it reaches out, when it sends out the messages, contacted 3, contacted 1, and then you can see how many actually are recovered on those days. And it tells you the exact person who was recovered. So converted, contacted, all that good stuff, right? So it's in live activity. So that's just one of the cool features that I think will almost pay for itself. If we continue here, we have the new quick create contact feature. So it just makes it really easy. Like some of the guys who are using it on a day-to-day basis, they're like, dude, I don't want to have to go exit out of here, go to contacts, add somebody. Probably within a week, they had this feature added because people were asking for it for convenience. Customized time slot intervals, right? So what this does is, some of you guys have 45-minute appointments, and next thing you know, you have like 5 windows where there's 15-minute gaps between your appointments. Dude, you could have had, two haircut appointments, and you lost out because nobody's booking edge-ups, lineups for 15 minutes, right? So this will make it so that you can decide, and it has some automated options where you can decide if you want this to fill your calendar as full as possible, or you want to keep some gaps, or you want to make it custom. So this is a new feature that they added. Control when services can be booked. So if you want, obviously a lot of other apps have that, but on a specific service. So imagine you only want to do VIP services on Monday through Thursday because Friday, Saturday is a volume day, and you don't want to do VIPs 1-hour appointments there. Your money, your bread and butter on 30-minute appointments on those days. So you can customize that. You can even set prices for a specific one. So on Sundays, if you don't typically work on Sundays, but you want to offer haircuts at a certain price on Sundays, like, dude, you can't get me out the house for a haircut for $40 on a Sunday. But if you pay me $100 on a Sunday, I'm down. So we can set that up to put the custom price at $100 on Sundays only. I'm not sure that anybody else does that, but I could be wrong. We have automated SMS email notifications set up, and then customer segments. So birthdays, people who canceled recently, people who bought a certain product, people who booked a certain, let's say you want to try to get customers to graduate from haircut and beard to VIP services. So any customers that book haircut and beard, that segment you can target to get them to try to, upgrade to VIP. So you can upsell them with like a text or like an email, something like that. I think that's really cool. And eventually we'll be able to create automations, use AI, all that good stuff for that. So those are features that are already out. And these are features that are coming out. Scott texted me, actually text them to me. Okay. So coming this week is employee only view. So for my shop owners who don't want their employees being able to see certain things, you can already have roles, but they can see like other employees and stuff like that, right? Essentially what this does is it makes it so employees can only see their own stuff, almost like as if they signed up for Fullcap by themselves and not under your barbershop. They would have that same look. You can turn that on. Email marketing campaigns is coming this week. So blast emails to your clients. And by the way, you'll be able to do it to your clients. So one of the problems that we've seen with a lot of apps is that when you're doing email campaigns, dude, they'll blast everybody. I've had barbers leave to a studio and steal our contacts across all of our barbers and send them emails, right? So this makes it so only that barber's customer clients are emailable. But that's a good thing too, because I don't want to email other people's clients. I don't want to send an SMS campaign to other people's clients. And the way that it identifies them is if we're able to track who is booking you, right? And so if somebody's booked you 2 times, that's probably one of your clients. If they haven't booked you in 90 days, we reset it. So it's dynamic and it's smart, and we use AI to identify who's probably your client and who isn't. But this is a really cool feature in that not only can you do email blasts now, but you'll be able to make it specific to just your clients. Okay, let me look at the chat, man, because I get fired up from the chat, So appreciate it. Yeah, so there will be it's gonna be priced kind of like where you'll have individual barber pricing if you want to sign up just as an individual barber. Guys, we're getting really close to the launch of Fullcap.ai. If you're not familiar with it, feel free to visit our website, Fullcap.ai, and join the waiting list. Join our Discord. I'll put a link in the description for our Discord. We already have been onboarding a whole bunch of beta members. I think we're at above over a couple dozen, over 20 beta members at this point. We've been testing and using the software for 2 years at the Founders Barbershop locations. We've been using it at some of the Headlines locations, and it's gotten so good, so polished. I'm so proud of it and what the team has done. And what I wanted to do today was update you guys with, or at least share updates with, some of the beta testers that we were sharing with, just kind of putting it on the YouTube channel. You guys can kind of see what we're doing to improve it, make it better. And it's really, really close to launch date. And it's not going to launch like as a typical MVP where, it's just bare bones. It's going to be innovative. It's going to be a game changer from day one. So with that being said, man, this video is going to give you guys some updates on what Fullcap has recently added to the table. And it's already a well-polished machine. It's already an amazing software, but we just keep adding more and more features. We're listening to the barbers, to our beta members, and we're constantly adding features. The team has been amazing. So without further ado, check it out. Have barbershop prices. Well, that includes all your barbers. And then you'll have enterprise as well. So there's 3 tiers, but much, much better. Yes, this is compatible with Android. Yes. Okay. Another thing that they have is that we're launching this week is SMS marketing campaigns. So now you'll be able to do SMS blast as well. To start with, we're going to do a small testing group, because SMS is kind of expensive, and you guys already know the legalities, the laws are, we don't want to get into any legal issues with SMS. So we're just going to do it a little bit slower than we're doing it with email. Payment processing for barbers. This is a big one. We already have payment processings for a barbershop, but if your barbers are independent contractors, legally, there's a gray area where you're not supposed to be collecting your barber's money and then paying them out. That means you're in control of their finances. This feature is going to allow every single barber in your shop to set up their own payment processing within your system so that you're still able to see everything, have visibility. You're still be able to see the KPIs, use AI, use automations, all that good stuff. But every barber will have their own account, their own tap to pay, and you don't touch any of their money. Barbers will love that, because right now a lot of barbers don't want to change platforms because they want control of their own stuff. That's going to be possible with Fullcap, and I don't think any other app is doing that. And then this is a big one in my opinion. I hate when barbers have 3 no-call no-shows this week, and then they want to require all 300 of their clients to put their card on file and pay a security deposit before booking an appointment. That really sucks, because you're going to affect 99% of your clients because of the 1% who are bad apples. And what we've noticed, when you do that, if you're running ads, your conversion rates drop immensely. Guys, can you pause mute yourselves, please? Your conversion rates drop immensely, right? This Fullcap is going to allow you to require card on file for specific customers only. Like if this guy's known for no call, no showing, turning on security required card on file for this guy, I think that's a big deal. I'm not sure how many other competitors actually do that, but Carson, thank you for that idea, brother. So we're listening. And that's another thing that I want to make sure you guys understand. Your feedback is actually being used here. It's not give us ideas, give us feedback. Yeah, we're going to figure that out. We're going to figure that out, but sign up. No, like we're figuring it out. We're implementing it, and you should sign up because we're doing it, right? Okay, so that's all the updates I have for Fullcap. We're expecting all of this to go live this week. The only thing that we're waiting on next is Google Calendar integration. And then I think we're ready to go live to public. Okay, so in the next week or so, it's going to be major. We're going to be dropping this, and it's going to be a game changer. Will individual barbers be able to link their own bank accounts to collect their own deposits for no-shows? Yes, that's what the payment processing is for. Everything is going to be routed individually. You never see the barber's money. So for the deposits, that's their money for all that stuff. The only thing that wouldn't be is your POS for product. Are we able to link our domain to Fullcap? Not only can you link your domain to Fullcap, let me show you guys. You can also build your own website through Fullcap. So if I go to headlines and I go to our enterprise level, this is our enterprise level. You have your website builder here, right? You can attach your domain, right? And this is our website that we built through Fullcap. So you get everything. This is a full operating system, and you don't have to wait for somebody to build your site for you or make changes to your site. You do it yourself, right? So you can add domains and all that jazz. If you like OTB, you will be grandfathered in. We won't be offering it to new members here soon, but you are grandfathered in. So if you want to keep using OTB, you can. This right here, though, if you guys wanted one system that does it all, you don't need OTB anymore. This does it all. It automates it. It frees up your life. Like there's no putting 3 different apps together to kind of try to run your business. Everything is under one operating system. And so for me, I think that this is going to be a game changer because it just makes life easier.